Good morning, guys. Today is 5th of April and the time is 9:21. What we have done in the Nifty positional account, in the Nifty discretionary account, what we have done is we are sitting on a straddle of 14,750. 14,750 straddle पे हम बैठे हैं, and in the Bank Nifty account we were sitting at 33,500 straddle, but Bank Nifty is completely sliding down, नीचे आ रहा है, so we are looking at an MTM loss here. And at the same time, Nifty is kind of holding up. The reason being, Nifty IT is looking extremely strong. Bank Nifty is kind of cascading down, but Bank Nifty has a good support at यहाँ पे. Bank Nifty should take support somewhere around 33,250 levels, and it might reverse from here. So that's what we are expecting, some sort of stability in the Bank Nifty. And Reliance cascading down, HDFC is cascading down. I don't know what has changed, because SGX was trading very good positive sentiment up till our markets opened, and even we opened pretty flat, like there was no much of a negative sentiment, but as soon as we opened we started cascading down, and suddenly Nifty is picking up, which is a good thing. And the total worth of 14,750 straddle is somewhere around 300 rupees, 295 to be precise. And the adjustment points is, if Nifty heads above 14,800, this level, if Nifty heads above, let's say CPR, ठीक है, CPR ले लेते हैं. If Nifty heads above CPR, we're gonna need to adjust this position, or if Nifty heads below 14,700, then we need to adjust this position. Up till then, this position is good to hold, but at the same time, we need to have a solid stop loss for the put option. So we'll keep the stop loss at 201 पे रखेंगे, ठीक है. So that should do. And Bank Nifty is kind of halting now, but if suddenly Bank Nifty starts sliding, we're going to exit this position with whatever loss or whatever profit we will be making in that. So having said that, any further updates, I'm going to update you. Looks like everything is sliding down except Nifty IT. Nifty IT is shooting up like anything, so that is giving some sort of a stability to Nifty. And if Bank Nifty suddenly starts reversing, so there will be some sort of a short covering rally that we might expect in Nifty. So having said that, so any further updates, I'm gonna update you. Time is 9:30. What we have done is we have completely closed our Bank Nifty short straddle. The reason being, Bank Nifty was looking extremely weak, and it's just simply cascading down with good volumes in the future. Futures में अच्छे volumes आ रहे हैं, and it's just like cascading down. So we thought there is no point in holding on to Bank Nifty straddle. That's why what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-enter 33,200. इसमें भी काफी अच्छे प्रीमियम्स मिल रहे हैं हमें, pretty close to 1,000 rupees प्रीमियम है इसमें भी. So we are looking at entering this. ठीक है. बैंक निफ्टी सडनली यहां से ऊपर चला गया, कहां तक जा सकता है, ठीक है, कहां तक जा सकता है. लेट्स से इट केम अप टिल 33,400 or 500, तब भी विल बी गुड, बिकॉज पुट्स विल क्रैश इन द वैल्यू. एंड एट द सेम टाइम 33,100 के नीचे, 33,100 के आसपास काफी अच्छा सपोर्ट है. So what I'm expecting is, even if 33,100 is breached, I'm going to come out of the position. If 33,500 is breached, I'm gonna come out of the position. So since this delta is, कितना delta है, 33,200 at the money option से, so 0.5 delta रहेगा. So even if it, let's say Bank Nifty shoots up by I don't know 300 points also, this call option, it won't spike up more than 200 points, right? So 536 पे है, so it will be maximum, it will be at 730. And our stop loss is at 795. Still we have another 100 points of buffer with Bank Nifty, but Nifty IT is looking extremely strong. ऐसे मूव कर रहा है कि स्टेरॉइड्स पे है Nifty IT. and currently the VIX is also kind of, oh my god, the VIX has shot up by 6%. So unless this VIX cools down, it's not a good idea to continue holding this position, but we're gonna wait till 33,100. अगर 33,100 के नीचे स्लाइड हो जाता है this level, इसके नीचे क्लोज दे देता है, like we have another minute or so for this candle to close, तो उधर स्लाइड हो जाता है, तो then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out of this bank nifty position. The time is 9:55 and Nifty IT had faced some sort of resistance at R2, but now it has formed a bullish pin bar and it's kind of heading higher. And Bank Nifty, it has formed a bearish pin bar and it is heading lower. So there is some sort of a balancing act that's going on, and हमारा जो Nifty है, तो इन balancing acts के वजह से we are being benefited immensely. So we suddenly are looking at around 9 to 10k of profits, which is almost 0.7% of the margin. So we are looking at around 11k of profit. So what we're going to do is we just closed our position at 14k. All right. So suddenly we closed our position to 14k, and this also we're going to close our position because we are heading lower. I didn't even check what was the loss, what was the profit. Just because we are heading down, we just completely came out of the positions. So we'll look at whether we need to re-enter the position or not, and we'll take a call after that. So suddenly the markets have turned a bit bearish. Reliance भी मतलब support के नीचे आ रहा है, and HDFC is also coming down. So I'll take a call once I see that the markets are stabilizing back. Alright guys, see you. Alright guys, the time is 10:22 and जो हमने decision लिए है to come out of the markets at 9:55 was the best decision I guess, because उसके बाद market को देखो, just look at the markets, it fell almost from 750 to 485, almost 280 points गिर गया. If had we been in this position, we could have taken a huge loss today, extremely huge loss today, and we closed everything in green. Despite being non-directional traders, we closed everything in green, which is a great thing, and that too on a day when the IV spiked more than 16%. Like the IV spike, look at that, India VIX is up by 16%. So मैंने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि नाउ इज द टाइम टू एग्जिट. ऑलराइट, तो उसके लिए मुझे आपको मल्टीपल चार्ट्स पे लेके जाना पड़ा. बैंक निफ्टी सुबह से ही वीक था, राइट, इट वाज इन अ कांस्टेंट डाउन ट्रेंड. सो व्हाट वी वर थिंकिंग इज अगर बैंक निफ्टी को नीचे लेके जा रहा है देन निफ्टी आईटी वाज बीइंग पुल्ड अप. तो निफ्टी आईटी ऊपर जा रहा था. वेट, जस्ट आई हैव टू, हाँ यहाँ पे आपको दिख सकता है शायद, या ओके. निफ्टी आईटी को ऊपर लेके जा रहे थे, एंड द मोमेंट निफ्टी आईटी स्टार्टेड रिवर्सिंग देन एवरीथिंग वाज फॉलिंग इन टैंडम. यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा था, निफ्टी आईटी अच्छा स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहा था एंड बैंक निफ्टी वाज गोइंग लोअर. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट निफ्टी क्या था, निफ्टी इसमें इस रेंज में इट वाज स्टक इन अ रेंज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बैलेंसिंग एक्ट. बट जब बैंक निफ्टी is constantly in a downtrend and nifty भी suddenly नीचे आया and Reliance broke its day's low, and HDFC is definitely because of the news and the FII is not showing interest in buying HDFC भी constantly downtrend पे चल रहा था. And the moment we broke this level, this was at 950, right? The moment we broke this level, suddenly there was a huge unwinding of puts and a huge writing of calls. अगर मैं इसका चार्ट में दिखाऊंगा आपको तो you will get an idea कैसे होता है. Look at this. Right? There was a huge addition of calls and the call premiums just dropped like anything. So that indicated कि एक बिग मूव आ सकता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑलरेडी लाइक देयर वाज अ न्यूज एंड ऑल दैट अबाउट द लॉकडाउन्स बीइंग इम्पोज्ड इन मल्टीपल स्टेट्स, मल्टीपल बिग सिटीज एंड ऑल दैट, सो वी डिडंट वांट टू टेक एनी रिस्क. एंड एट द सेम टाइम दिस IV स्पाइक, जो IV स्पाइक है, इट्स ऑल्सो अ गुड इंडिकेशन ऑफ हाउ द मार्केट्स माइट बिहेव. IV स्पाइक में क्या हो रहा था, जस्ट अ मिनट, हाँ, IV स्पाइक में क्या हो रहा था, द फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स इटसेल्फ देयर वाज अ ह्यूज स्पाइक इन IV. एंड मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में भी मैंने बताया कि whenever the IV comes close around, whenever the IV comes close to around 20, either below 20 or somewhere around 20, it's being pulled up either because of an event or either because of some sort of a market movement, right? So आज भी यही हुआ, एंड 950 के आसपास, करेक्ट, 950 के आसपास देयर वाज अगेन अ ह्यूज सर्ज इन द IV. So that gave a confirmation that भाई यहाँ से एक 100 minimum, I didn't expect like 250-300 points का down move, but I thought okay there will be another 100 point of down move तो यहाँ से possible है. So that's why we came out of our positions in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Look at that, Bank Nifty का 33,500 put, it's trading at 1,100 rupees. Can you imagine? And yes, यहाँ पे Bank Nifty में एक support है which is the previous support, right? हाँ, ये जो support है, एक impulsive buying आ सकता है. Now we have to wait whether this impulsive buying is going to sustain or not. अगर बैंक निफ्टी ये डेस लो को ब्रीच करता है, then I won't be surprised even if it touches 31,750 today itself. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये जो काफी इंपल्सिव बायर्स है, दे वांट टू प्रोटेक्ट दिस 32,500 लेवल, 32,400 लेवल्स. तो द मोमेंट दिस स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग ब्रीच्ड, दीज पीपल आर इन ह्यूज पेन, एंड ये जो लोग हैं दे विल स्टार्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ देयर पोजीशंस. एंड उनका पोजीशंस क्या है, दीज आर द बाई ऑर्डर्स, एंड उनका स्टॉप लॉस पोजीशंस क्या रहता है, सेल ऑर्डर्स बिलो दीज लेवल्स, 32,200, 32,250 के आसपास जो सेल ऑर्डर्स रहता है. एंड वंस दैट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग ट्रिगर्ड, and there will be a further cascade, and that's what I'm expecting. So even though the market is showing some sort of a recovery and a sudden buying pressure at this point, I'm not entering now because 5 मिनट का कैंडल जो है, it's moving somewhere around 50 points, 14,480 से लेके 14,580, 80 पॉइंट का कैंडल है. So non-directional traders, it won't be a good day for us to trade with this kind of volatility. So anyway, we didn't take any damage and we made like decent profits to come out. And that's why मेरा जो motto है, the moment you are not comfortable, the moment you are not sure what the market's gonna do, just come out of it. नहीं, like see, you will get opportunities, आज मिलेगा, कल मिलेगा, परसों मिलेगा, but अगर एक बार आपका कैपिटल चला गया तो you won't be in a position to trade again. So my motto is कैपिटल प्रिजर्वेशन. जब भी मुझे कंफ्यूजन रहता है, I'll just come out. I'll simply come out. I'm trading non-directional. तो non-directional traders के लिए चाहिए क्या? एक calm market, a range bound market. तो जब भी whenever I feel that it's gonna be confusing scenario, I just close my position. मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करता हूँ, सब exit all एक साथ दबा के मैं बाहर आ जाता हूँ. I don't care what's the loss. I don't care what's the profits. The moment I'm not comfortable, I'm out. Because अगर आप बाहर जाओगे, you'll again get a time to re-enter. हो सकता है एक 2-3 पॉइंट का स्लिपेज होता है, बट इफ यू स्टे इन द पोजीशन, अगर आप जिद करोगे मार्केट के खिलाफ, अगर आप आपका ओपिनियंस मार्केट के ऊपर डालना शुरू करोगे, देन नो वन कैन सेव यू. लाइक योर कैपिटल विल गेट एरोडेड इन अ मैटर ऑफ मिनट्स. सो अगर मैं यहाँ पे जिद करता तो डेफिनेटली काफी अच्छा बड़ा लॉस होता. So I don't want to be trading in this kind of market. And having said that, this will be the end of my trading day, I guess, because I don't find any point in entering the trades now, because IV भी spike up हो रहा है and IV is not at all cooling down and the market is moving erratically on both the directions. So I'll take a break today and talk about the profits. Around 14.5k here and around close to around 750k here. So close to मान लो 15k मान के चलो. So we made around 15k profits and see you guys tomorrow. Let's see what the market has in store for us tomorrow. Agar at the end of the day, I might be looking to buy few stocks and add to my portfolio. And that would be one of the major stocks would be Reliance and another stock could be HDFC Life. I'll just add HDFC Life and Reliance को add कर सकते हैं portfolio में. Not a recommendation, just I'm telling you my course of action.